First, gather your tools, the provided top Pfit tool, and an adjustable crescent wrench. Grab a regular house cleaning towel, flashlight for seeing under the sink, and eye protection. Turn off the hot and cold water supply valves under your sink. From the top of your sink, do a quick check for sharp edges in the mounting hole to avoid puncturing any hoses. Next, unscrew the connector from the hose. Now, for a single-hole sink, feed all hoses and the faucet base through the included gray mounting ring, foam side down. The foam side is what creates a tight seal with your countertop. No more need for putty. Now hold your mounting bracket vertically above the sink as you feed the faucet hoses into the hole. For sinks with multiple mounting holes, begin with the next step instead. Multiple mounting holes will first use the included deck plate, aligning it with the center mounting hole and covering the unneeded holes. The foam on the bottom side of the deck plate will create your tight seal. You can now feed your hoses and faucet base through the open center mounting hole. Now, grab your included top Pfit tool and insert it into the top of the faucet body. Remember the adage, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey? You'll be turning the tool clockwise to bring the bracket below the deck upwards until it's snug against the deck. As always, check your alignment before your final tightening. Then simply clip your top Pfit tool to an inlet line below to keep it handy. Now, insert the spout into the faucet body. You'll feel it click into place. Below the deck, feed the hose through the hose weight. Next, screw the connector back onto the hose. Firmly push the connector onto the faucet line until you hear it click. Confirm that it's secure with a gentle tug. Here's where your crescent wrench comes into play. Your hot water line has a red tag and connects to the left inlet when facing the sink. Your cold water line has a blue tag and connects to the right inlet. Use your wrench to properly tighten each line. Turn on both hot and cold water valves to make sure there aren't any sprays or drips. If there are, turn the valves off and further tighten the connections, being careful not to over-tighten or damage the connections. Head topside for good and unscrew your spray head. Move the faucet handle right, which is the on position. With the spray head disconnected, let the water run for about 15 seconds. Move the handle towards you and away to flush both hot and cold lines. Now, turn the handle off and screw the spray head back on. Turning the faucet back on, test the spray pattern. Touch the bottom button for spray and the upper button for stream. All good? Congratulations! You just installed your beautiful new Pfister faucet. Move the handle to the right into the open position. The temperature can be adjusted by moving the handle forward for hot or up to the neutral position for cold. Your new faucet will always turn on in stream mode, so simply touch the spray head button to switch to spray mode. We hope you're thrilled with your new Pfister faucet. And we're always here to help, online and on the phone.